Hello children, in this video we are going to go through different types of drawing material used by artists to make art. Perfect Star Kids. The first one is sketch pens. Second one being drawing compass. Next we have a palette, color pencils, watercolors, markers, board eraser, brushes, chalk powder color, charcoal pencil, chalk color, clutch pencil, color pens, drawing board, eraser, folders, set square 45, protractor, oil pastels, colored paper, drawing paper, pastel colors, pencils, plastic watermark, poster paints, rags, colored sand, steel scale, pencil sharpener, wall paint brush set, whiteboard. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.